Welcome to Kiwiform Form Builder. Start by clicking on Create Form. Then, select Start with Template to open the template library. Click the All Categories drop-down to explore the available options. Then select Event Forms from the list. Click the Live Preview button on the event registration form. Click Register Now to continue. Click the right arrow button to go to the next page. Now click on the Submit button. Open the Categories drop-down and select All Categories. You can also use the search bar to search for social forms. Once you find the form, click Use this. Your form is now open in the Form Builder. Click Pages in the left panel to view all pages in the form. Also, check the required field and character limit options in the right panel.
Create new form and selecting Create from Scratch to open the Form Builder. First, add a short text field and enter the question, Enter your name. This allows respondents to provide their basic information Next, add a rating field. Then customize the rating scale to fit your requirements. Enter the question, how would you rate your overall experience with our product launch? Then add description, rate your experience. Now add a long text field. Create an open-ended question such as, what did you like most about the product or launch experience? Then add description, explain in details. Add another long text field and ask, what is one thing we could improve? Then add description, we'd love your suggestions. Open-ended questions provide valuable insights for future improvements. Let's add a multiple choice field. Create answer options and customize the choices based on the information you want to collect. Next, enter the question, which feature stood out to you the most? Then add a description such as favorite features to provide additional context for respondents. Add multiple answer options that users can choose from. After that, configure the number of selections allowed and set a selection limit based on your requirements. Finally, adjust the layout by enabling the vertical selection option for a cleaner and more organized display. Use the Settings panel on the right to configure question properties, answer types, required fields, and other response options. You can continue adding more fields, rearranging questions, and customizing the form layout to match your specific needs. Now add an ending screen and enter a closing message that best fits your form and audience. You can also add a description to thank respondents for their time, provide additional information, or guide them on the next steps after submission. Next, customize the button text to create a clear call to action such as submit, send response, or complete survey. Now add a welcome screen and enter the title Product Launch Feedback. Next, add the description. What did you think of our launch and product? To introduce the purpose of the survey and encourage participation. Then customize the call to action button text to Let's Begin for a welcoming and engaging start. You can also display the estimated completion time to let respondents know how long the survey will take before they begin. Now let's explore the design section where you can customize the look and feel of your form. You'll find two options, My Themes and Theme Library. My Themes contains your saved and previously used designs, while the Theme Library offers a collection of professionally designed templates. Browse through the available themes, preview different styles, and choose the one that best matches your brand or survey requirements. Once you've found a design you like, simply select it to instantly transform the appearance of your form. Once you're satisfied with your form, click the Publish button to make it live and ready for responses. After publishing, use the Preview or Live Form option to test the entire experience from a respondent's perspective. Complete the form, submit a sample response, and verify that all questions, settings, and submission flows are working as expected. This final testing step helps ensure a smooth and professional experience before sharing your form with your audience.